MOTO GUZZI GRISO 1200 Best Motorcycle Review, 8V Transverse V-Twin, 5 gears. As an objet d'art, the beautifully designed and finished MOTO GUZZI GRISO is eye-catchingly stunning. As a motorcycle, it's fun, functional, and pretty much as cool as it gets. After seemingly decades in the doldrums, MOTO GUZZI is back with a strikingly styled, well-built roadster that's a match for the best from anywhere. Back in 2011, MCN took a MOTO GUZZI GRISO onto the long-term test fleet as our V7 was on other duties. Find out what happened here. There's a good enthusiast scene for this bike, so once you've read this review and our owner's reviews, why not head along to Griso Ghetto and join the community? In 2007, the MOTO GUZZI GRISO SE 1200 was launched. This was a special edition based on the 1,200 cubic centimeters 4-valve version of GUZZI's brawny, stylish roadster. For £9,109, £300 over the stock bike, you got flash black anodized alloy wire wheels, a sultry matte green paint job evocative of GUZZI's racers of the 50s, and a posh brown seat. Think Bentley-style mix of retro and modern, and you won't be far wide of the mark. Riding-wise, it's unchanged. Ride quality and brakes, decent enough. The MOTO GUZZI GRISO's top-notch suspension and brakes front and rear give a classy ride, and with the weight mostly low it's stable yet steers sweetly. Pleasing enough as a roadster, but long wheelbase means it's no brute ale or speed triple-style sportster. Engine. The MOTO GUZZI GRISO 1100's trademark transverse V-twin has at last moved on technologically. Latest shaft drive system and 4-valve heads result in an almost BMW Boxer-style unit. It's flexible, friendly, and versatile. Why almost? Because it's still overweight and lacking outright power. More powerful, peaky 1200 8V version introduced in 2007. The engine is 80% new, up to 1,151 cubic centimeters from 1,064 cubic centimeters, and features newly styled cylinders and head covers. There are also discrete modifications to the exhaust, now adopting an eye-catching 8 cross-section, and brakes, new wavy discs and radial calipers. The handlebars are narrower and the seat reprofiled. Reliability and build quality. Build quality of the MOTO GUZZI GRISO is quantum leap forwards from GUZZI's of the last 10 years or so. Paint and metal finishes gleam and glisten, neat design touches, such as the GUZZI eagle emblem molded into the rear light, abound. We've got 6 MOTO GUZZI GRISO owners' reviews on the site, with an overall score of 3.8 stars out of 5. Comments mention a few engine reliability problems and a hard ride. Value versus rivals. Considering the spec, the MOTO GUZZI GRISO is pretty good value new and used, especially compared to the likes of overpriced BMWs and the ludicrously expensive Yamaha MT-01. Equipment. The MOTO GUZZI GRISO's Brembo wheels, brakes and Marzocchi suspension are among the quality cycle parts, and the Griso is not lacking sweet Diason touches or refinement, but as a naked, this is still a fairly basic motorcycle.